What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Noah. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a full day of eating, what a vegan bodybuilder eats in a day on a bulk, which means in a muscle gaining phase, which I'm in right now and I've been in for a couple of months now. We might actually be leaving LA very shortly because of the coronavirus. Everything's on lockdown, quarantine, so we don't know what's gonna happen. Hey, this might be our last couple of days here. And because of that, we figured why not start off the day by going to a restaurant and order some pancakes. Dr. Leo, what do you say to people who are wondering and worrying and fearful about the coronavirus? What can we do as sick vegans to protect ourselves?
Take your B12, take your iodine, and then you gotta buy a case of Corona beer.
All right, so we just got the Sage. It's pretty much completely empty, it looks like.
Look at all of this. Looks so good.
Definitely bulking friendly food. Alright guys, we just got our food right now. So I've got this amazing sweet potato pancake, probably my favorite dish of this entire place. So chewy and delicious. And then I have a side of grilled tofu on the side just to add a little bit more protein to this meal. And then me and Catherine are gonna be sharing this smoothie bowl or acai bowl as well. A little bit of acai or like a smoothie. And then some berries, granola. Catherine, what are you eating?
I'm eating avocado and toast.
Nice. What you get, Taylor?
Got the acai bowl. I've never tried it before, so I'm looking forward to
Acai bowl, yeah. Leo, you got?
Blueberry wild pancakes.
I cannot wait for this. Sweet potato pancakes took a lot of space in my stomach, but I still got some left. So I'm gonna finish this smoothie bowl. Okay guys, so Catherine couldn't finish this avocado toast. So, you know, my job as a dad is basically leftover eating. Alright guys, we made it. Coronavirus is affecting the weather here in LA too. Done with the workout, still pouring down outside. Thanks Taylor for an amazing workout. Yeah, we ran into Chris and Nimai and Luca as well. So how was your workout, Leo?
It was bad, it was leg day. I don't know what you guys are complaining about with your little arm day.
Alright guys, so time for the next meal, and this is gonna be a bowl of oatmeal. So to start off, I'm gonna be chopping up this vegan protein bar into small cubes and use it as a topping. And then I'm gonna be doing the same with 2 juicy Israeli medjool dates. So I soaked them for a few minutes and I chopped them up into smaller pieces as well. Doing this with your dates is amazing because it just adds a lot of natural sweetness while boosting your health at the same time. So next up, I'm gonna be throwing in 1 cup of oats and then half a cup of oat flour. So this is a hack that I've been using lately and it's been working super well. The oatmeal comes out extremely creamy and firm, more like a pudding. So try that out if you haven't already. It's really interesting. So I put that in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and when it comes out, I pour some frozen blueberries on top, which will defrost slightly in a few minutes and have the perfect consistency. And then we're gonna be throwing in our protein bar on top. And last but not least, our delicious Israeli medjool dates. Finally, time to eat this up right now. I'm super excited. Oatmeal, as you guys know, is my all-time favorite meal, and it's an essential meal and food to get in if you're looking to bulk up, make muscle gains, and add more calories into your day. Oatmeal is a fantastic way to do so. This twist of adding those chopped up Israeli medjool dates is a game changer. It's just like throwing caramel on top, except it's actually healthy. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat this right now, and I'll catch you guys for the next meal. Alright guys, so quick stop at Whole Foods, and literally all the ice cream shelves are emptied. It's all gone.
I usually love shopping in Whole Foods, but there's nothing left for me to buy.
Alright, we better get out of here, man. I can smell the corona. It's back from Whole Foods. We didn't end up getting that much food, but we have enough for a couple of days. It's really sad that they didn't have any toilet paper, so we will have to do without.
Banana peels.
Just banana peels. But anyways, I just wanted to ask Taylor and Leo what they eat to bulk up. Taylor, what do you eat to bulk up?
Oh man, like the staples, chickpeas, quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth, oatmeal, and then veggies.
For me, it's all about the nuts because I have a hard time getting enough calories. So yeah, nuts, seeds, nut butters, peanut butter, almond butter, all that good stuff.
And a lot of people actually do a lot of smoothies. They blend up food together, make extremely high calorie smoothies, again with added fats like nut butters, even oatmeal inside the smoothies as well. So yeah, definitely not a hard thing to do. For me, I have the opposite struggle. I have a hard time not eating too much, basically. Catherine, what do you eat to bulk up?
Chocolate?
Are you able to find any flights home?
I don't know. Are we? Are we gonna fly home?
Are we? Yeah, I think we are, right?
Oh, I just hope it's not packed flight.
Yeah,
Like with...
it's a horrible flight as well. It's like 12-hour flight.
Oh, I'm not excited.
Yeah, it's one of the...
We're gonna stay here for another month, but now we're probably gonna go.
Yeah.
There's no food for us left here in the States.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna be preparing the last meal of the day, which is gonna be a quick bowl of cereal plus something on the side. So it's not really a actual dish, just something super quick. I'm trying to eat up everything that we have in the house because we're leaving in 4 days. So the thing that I'm gonna be preparing first is some corn, which is I think it's mushroom-based protein pieces. And I'm gonna be sauteing that with some green peas just to get some more greens into my day today, as I haven't had that many. And then on the side, I'm just gonna be having a bowl of cereal because why not? We have this Kashi Spark Go or whatever it's called. It's 10 grams of protein per cup. Got brown rice, whole grain wheat, some pea protein, whole grain oats, wheat bran, rice protein. So it's pretty good stuff. So I'm gonna pour a bowl of this. Quite a lot. I think that's almost the whole pack. Oops. Right, so when you're sauteing vegetables or just anything in general, I always do this. I just add some water. And this is also a non-stick pan, which helps as well. But I just add a little bit of water so nothing sticks to the bottom. And then when the water evaporates, you keep adding more. I've told you guys this many times before, but it's a essential skill to cooking without oil and to be as healthy as possible. I'm gonna be adding some extra fats into this meal because, yeah, there are no other fats. So pumpkin seeds, great source of iron and testosterone. Throwing in some liquid aminos. This is a spray. Oh. Alright guys, so that is pretty much done. I'm gonna pour that into a bowl with one hand. Hopefully nothing falls. And then we actually have some cashew sauce left over. So I'm gonna be using that. That's basically just cashew and nutritional yeast, right, Catherine?
Lemon, onion powder, garlic powder.
Yeah, really simple recipe. We're gonna be adding a little drizzle of that. Check this out. This is the final product. Excited to try this. And then we have the little dessert, the bowl of cereal with some apple, some cinnamon. So this meal is definitely gonna fill me up. Another very important thing is adding fats for me. So for me to be able to, feel full and to get in more calories, I need to add fats. A lot of people forget about adding fats into their diet, and that is why they feel like it's difficult to hit their calorie targets and that kind of stuff. So having pumpkin seeds and a drizzle of some healthy homemade sauces on your salads or your bowls really goes a long way. But yeah, this meal is definitely full of protein, probably about 40 to 50 grams of protein that is going in right now. All right, let's try this right now. Really like this corn mushroom protein thing. Anyways, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Really appreciate your support. I hope that this video gave you some ideas of what to eat as a vegan athlete or bodybuilder or someone who's looking to build muscle and bulk up on a plant-based diet. Me and Taylor are about to get some work done, take care of some client stuff. Leo as well. He's over there. What are you doing? Taking care of clients right now?
Right now, I'm actually looking up a cure for the coronavirus.
Okay, so Leo's working on the cure for the corona. This is top level stuff that is going on right here. So you guys, if you need coaching, you guys know where to go. johnmeals.com or just follow the link in the description box below. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Peace out.